back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well and is having a great day. So today I'm going to show you how I got this hair look, how I got these cute little curls that only takes 10 minutes, and it's super cheap products that anybody can do. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. All right, so I want to start off by showing you the shampoo and conditioners that I use. This one is the Walmart brand that helps with dandruff. My hair is just super sensitive and gets super itchy if I use other products. I don't know, Head and Shoulders sometimes is good, but a lot of times it also makes me break out a little bit. So this one has been the most successful for my hair. So if you have the same issues as I do, I highly recommend this. It's just been so great. And then the conditioner I'm not super picky about, but this is just the one that I'll grab the most, honestly, and it helps with my frizziness. And I don't put it near my scalp because that will make me break out. Plus I don't need it because it'll make my hair greasy. My hair has plenty of oils. So what I like to do is just literally get it to here and then down. I'll do it to my hair to make it shiny, more healthy looking, so don't have split ends and stuff. So anyway, these are the two I honestly recommend if you are interested, and it's obviously in anybody's budget. So yeah, so now I'm gonna just show you how I got these pretty curls. So on a normal day, I usually take a shower at night and then let my hair dry during the night. And then it's a little bit damp in the morning, and so I'll blow dry it really quick and then start to curl it. But since I took a shower this morning, it's a little bit more wet, so it's gonna take me a little bit longer to dry. But on a normal work day, it literally takes me 2 minutes to blow dry it. So anyway, I just use the basic Revlon blow dryer. It works, and I'm super cheap right now, so anyway, so I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then I'll curl it. Now that most of it is dry, I'm gonna get this wand that I got from Walmart, any drugstore. It's super cheap. And I'm gonna start curling my hair with it. So what I like to do is just kind of divide it into half and bring it all to the front. And then I'll start from the back end of it and get some of it like this. And let me get some spray. I use this hairspray. Trust me, I'm almost out of it. And I'll spray it. And then I'll start to curl. Like this. Oh, get down. And then I'll just hold it for a few seconds. And then I'm gonna bring it down. It makes this really pretty curl. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of my hair. I mean, it literally takes just a few seconds. Why? Cats are calling me. Cute. Okay, so I'm done with this side. So now I'm gonna go and do this side of it. Now I'm gonna start on this side. It makes such a pretty curl. Now make sure when you do this, it's extremely tight on this wand so it'll curl better and faster. Oh, I also forgot to mention, I do it because I have such dark hair. I do it on the highest, which is 400 with this one. Obviously, if you're blonder, have more fair hair, more sensitive to heat, then I would do it lower. Just you have to just figure out what works for you, but the highest is the better for my hair. Cool. Oh, Dad. Just kidding. So now that I've curled all of my hair, what I like to do is flip my hair a few times, get those curls out. Just kind of do it with my fingers. Sometimes I feel like if I do it with the brush, it's too rough and like loses the curls, you know? So, that's what I like to do. There we go. And then just spray down the rest of it. And here you go. And here we go. So literally every single morning, I'm telling you, it takes me like less than 10 minutes to do this hair. And it's just so fast and your hair looks fabulous, you know? So it doesn't take as long as you think. Because I have a lot of people who be like, oh, how do you like do your hair? I know it's gonna take forever, but literally 10 minutes. And it's super easy and super cheap products that I do it with. So you don't have to go and buy like hundreds of dollars worth of products to have really good results. So this is how it looks.